Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Happy holiday season, happy December. As you guys can see, this is the best time of the year for me. You guys can see by the background and everything. So today is a holiday glam, yes ma'am, and reviewing the Kylie Cosmetics new holiday collection. I mean, look at this box. Look how pretty. Oh my god, I'm just like so excited for this collection. I cannot wait to try everything. So if you want to see me trying for the first time, so it's first impressions, reviewing and sharing my thoughts on this collection, plus doing a super fun, I hope, holidays look, please keep on watching. So I got this from Kylie Cosmetics. I am on the PR list, so this was gifted, so you guys know, but my thoughts are 100% like, I'm being honest. If I don't like something, I will tell you guys that I don't like it. So let's dive into it. So I'm just gonna open the box so we can see together how does the inside. Oh my god, you guys, I just have to show it. It's just huge. Oh my god, it's so pretty. This has got to be the most beautiful like packaging collection that I've seen Kylie coming out with. I mean, they slay every time. I do like the brand, and if you guys know me, you guys know that I really truly like the brand. The box is super cool because there is more. This is not everything, you guys. You can just open it up like so, and here is more. I mean, I wanna dip into it right now. So here we have, I believe this is the brushes, and then we have the, oh my god, this is falling. We have the setting spray, and we have the primer. We have the eye glazes. I love their eye glazes. And we have the blush and highlighter duo, and here is the glosses. Yeah, the glosses. This is what you get with, like, if you get the full collection, that is it. It's this. So yeah, let's just dip into it. I am really so excited for these because I love Christmas, and I just like can hear the Christmas songs in my head already. Okay, so I went and unpacked some of the products. So here we have the lipsticks, we have the primer and the spray. Let me show you guys the brushes. Here are the brushes. This will be my first time trying a Kylie Cosmetics brushes. I never tried any of them before. We have the mini lip kit, and on here we have the glosses. So I'm really excited for these. And then here we have the highlighter and blush duo. Really hope they come with more like skin tone options, like more color options for different skin tones. I don't know if they will do that, but I hope so. And on here we have the palette. This has got to be one of my favorite palettes. I just love the colors. I love reds and I love oranges and warm tones, and this palette is just like so pretty. Why won't you zoom in? Let me show you guys closer. There. Then we have the eye glazes with the red packaging. We have the lip kit. Really light. I really like the lip kit and the eyeliner. So what I have in mind for today's look is using the red shades on the palette. I feel like I want to use the reds and then white, like cutting the crease, and maybe with the eyeliner. I know it's super basic, but I just wanted to do something simple that you guys can try to do at home as well. So as you guys can see, I have no makeup, and that is because I saw they had a new primer, and I really wanted to use on this look. So I'm gonna start by applying that. This is the Illuminating Face primer. I have the other one, I really like it, so I really hope to like this one as well. So I'm gonna start with that. So I'm just gonna like pump a bit into my hand and then just apply all over my face. Yeah, it's glowy. I can already see it on my hand. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, it's definitely glowy. So let's see. feels like super like hydrating and smooth. I get so red every time I touch my face, you guys. I look like a tomato. Okay, so for foundation, I think I'm gonna go with Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Foundation because I love it. And this is a matte foundation, and when I use like a super dewy primer, it's getting kind of sticky. I like to use like a matte foundation. I'm just gonna apply with a damp sponge. I really like this sponge. This was like $3 or $4 on Forever 21, and I do regret not buying more because I like the quality of it. It feels super good, almost like a beauty blender, and it's super affordable. And I bought it when I was in LA, and I just regret not buying more. Maybe I can order it online, and it looks super cute, you guys. Really like it. The foundation is applying really nicely on top of the primer, and as you guys can see, this is like kind of a matte foundation, but you can still see the glow in here, so the primer is good. I mean, it does illuminate the skin. Okay, now that I have applied concealer, baking, did my brows, it's time for the eyes. So let's jump into the palette. This is the Dear Santa palette. I don't remember the prices, so let me check it out. So the palette is $48, and then we have the Illuminate Face Primer that is $28. And I feel like that's like standard prices for Kylie Cosmetics. And yeah, let's jump into the palette. This is what it looks on the back. Comes in a leather kind of packaging that is super cute, and it opens like a letter. Isn't it beautiful? Even the inside of the packaging is like printed with lips. I feel like they are really like, they put a lot of thought and detail into the packaging. I feel like that's very like their thing. And as you guys can see, it's Christmas with a K, and delivery, the stamp, North Pole. I really like it. And here, instead of saying like Kylie Jenner like it usually does, it says Dear Santa, love Kylie Jenner. So this is what the palette looks like. It's really pretty. I love the colors. So I'm gonna go with the color Made You Cookies. I really love the names. They are so like original when it comes to names, really funny names all the time. So I'm gonna go with that red, that bright red right there. That's exactly what I want for my crease. And for the brushes, I'm gonna go with let me see if it says right here what type of brushes they have. Okay, so contains small eyeshadow brush, medium angled blending brush, medium blending brush, and large angled blending brush. So I'm gonna go with the eye brushes and just use it. Let's see like if the brushes are good. So this is what they look like. I'm gonna start by using this small one just to really apply and pack the color into my lid. The brush is $35, which is like a fair price. 35 for 4 brushes. Okay, so let's dip into this red shade. And I just want to go show you guys there's a bit of fallout, but nothing crazy. Oh yeah, it's really pigmented. What do you guys like want for Christmas this year? I really don't know what I want. Like my husband keeps asking me, what do you want? But I feel like, thank God, I have like everything that I need. I'm so thankful for that, but I just cannot think of something that I really want. I don't know. That's just not me. I always know what I want like in a month, like before Christmas, but this year I'm just like, what do I want? I really don't know. Do you guys know what you guys want for Christmas? For me, I really don't know what I want. I really don't know. Okay, so this eye looks really great. Now I'm gonna go with a clean brush, and I'm just gonna start blending this shade out, and then I think I'm gonna go with Santa's Helper, which is an orangey kind of tone, and maybe a little bit of Reindeer Dream, and kind of like blend it out. But yeah, let's do that. Okay, it's safe to say that this blended nicely, super nice. No like harsh lines, really blending really nicely into my crease. Now I'm just gonna go with a blend of Reindeer Dreams and Santa's Helper. I'm just gonna go into Kylie Christmas and blend the shade that I applied into my brow bone. Now I'm gonna go into the wrist and a little bit of Treat Yourself. No, Treat Your Elf. Okay, I see what you did there, Kylie. Yeah, and I'm just gonna like darken up the crease. Now I'm just gonna cut the crease. Now for my lid, I'm gonna go in with I See What You Mean, which is the eye glaze. They have a red one and a white one, and I really want the white on my lid, so let's apply that. I mean, how icy and pretty that is. Let me go in with my finger. It's really, really pretty. I really love their eye glazes. I feel like they are so high quality, so easy to use, and look so pigmented and bomb. Now for under my eye, I'm gonna go with the same Made You cookies, and then I'm just gonna blend that shade out with Kylie Christmas and Reindeer Dreams. Now to finish the look, I'm gonna go with a Secret Santa, which is this like ice shimmer shade on the palette, and mix it with a little bit of Santa's Workshop. Let me just tell you guys the price for the eye glazes. And they are $20. The eye glazes are one of my favorite products on from Kylie Cosmetics. I just feel like they are so easy to use. Okay, so I did my other eye off camera, and I remember that I forgot to apply the eyeliner. So this is like the red eyeliner, so I'm just gonna go and apply that. Okay, lashes are on, you guys, and I'm really happy with how the eye look came out. I feel like the eyeliner really gave it a nice touch. It's really like easy to use, and it's super pigmented, just like the black one that they have. Now it's time for the face, and I'm gonna go in with their blush duo. So there is a blush and a highlighter. So I only saw one shade of it. I don't know if they have like different kind of shades, but I really hope they come with like lighter shades for more lighter complexions and darker shades for like darker complexions. So for me, I feel like this shade's gonna work perfectly. I'm gonna start with the blush. I look so stupid when I apply blush, but I just love like how blush gives the look more warmed and make me look more alive and less ghosty. But yeah, now before I go in with the highlighter, I'm gonna go in with the illuminating setting spray. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with Sexy Santa. Oh, it's pretty. It's really pretty. Now we are all glowy. I can even take a little bit on my brow bone. And yeah, now things are starting to look good for me. I like it. Now I'm just gonna go and apply a little bit on here. There you go. Do you guys see that? Love it. Let me tell you guys the prices. I always forget to like tell the prices. So the duo is $20 for the duo, and then we have $26 for the setting spray, And now it's time for lips. So for the lips, they came with a mini lip set, high glosses, a liquid lipstick with a lip liner, and 2 lip bullets like lipsticks. For today's look, I'm gonna go with the liquid lip liner. I want to go with red. I usually wouldn't choose red with this eye look, but for Christmas I would. It's a Christmas look, so I'm gonna go with the lip liner, and this one is Naughty List, and I believe they are both Naughty List. Perfect Christmas red. This is exactly what I'm gonna wear this Christmas. It's beautiful. It's like a beautiful bright red, not too orangey, not too dark, not too light. It's just so pretty. So the look is done, you guys. I am super happy with how this turned out. This is exactly what I would wear on a Christmas day. So much red, and I'm in love. So the Naughty lip kit is $29, the lipsticks are $17, and the high gloss trio is $36, and then we have the 6-piece mini lip set, which is $36. So those are the prices. So we have the mini lip set on here, and we have the high glosses, and we have the 2 lipsticks. They look so pretty. I don't want to swatch them because I want to do some swatch videos where I show the detail, everything on camera, super macro, close up. So I really don't want to swatch them, but I'm sure you can find a lot of swatches online. So sorry guys, but I really want to let it for the video. Okay, so now it's time for my thoughts on this collection. I gotta be honest, I'm not gonna lie, I love it. I really love it. There is nothing I can complain about. I love the primer, it really worked great. Setting spray worked great. The brushes was real, I'm super impressed with the brushes. I didn't knew I was going to like them. They blended the eyeshadow really well. The eye glazes, I already knew I'm gonna love them. Only thing I'm not so super in love with is the blush duo. It's a pretty blush and it's a pretty highlighter, but it's not a wow thing. But other than that, I love the lipsticks, the shades, really love the glosses, everything. The palette, I really like this palette. I love how the shades blended out. I love how pigmented it is. I really loved the Christmas collection this year. I feel like this is one of quality wise one of the best ones they came out with, and yeah, that I cannot find something negative to say. I honestly don't. One thing I really like is how they made these sets with affordable prices. So you get 3 high glosses for $36 when usually one costs $18. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. Christmas look. I really hope I inspired you guys for the holidays. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and of course hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye bye.